Welcome to Creative English Vocabulary, a fast, easy and fun way to learn English words and phrases. Produced by CreativeEnglishVocabulary.com. Most common words in English. A. Vocabulary Lesson 1. Ability. Definition: the power and knowledge to do something. For example, she has the ability to pass the exam, but she must work harder. Ability. Able.
Be able to. Have the power and knowledge to do something.
For example, Sarah is able to swim. You must be able to speak English for this job. Able. Abandon.
Definition 1. Leave somebody or something completely. For example, he abandoned his car in the snow.
Definition 2. Stop doing something before it is finished. For example, when the rain started, we abandoned our game. Abandon. Abbey. Definition: a building where religious men or women, called monks and nuns, live or lived. For example, there was a boom in the building of castles and abbeys. Abbey. Abbreviate. Definition: make a word shorter by not saying or writing some of the letters. For example, the word telephone is often abbreviated to phone. Abbreviate. Abbreviation. Definition: a short form of a word. For example, TV is an abbreviation for television. Abbreviation. Thanks for watching. You are welcome to learn more lessons. Produced by CreativeEnglishVocabulary.com.